Assalamualaikum guys. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute little burger with a bow. So let's take our papers and get started. Do you like burger? I really like burger. Do your mommy makes burger for you? My mommy makes burger for me. I love burger. So now I'm trying the things of the burger. It's a very delicious cheeseburger. It's got a patty, some tomato, some onions, and some lettuce. It's got some drippy sauce too. Now I'm gonna make the rest of the bun. Now I'm gonna make a tray so it looks like that the burger is served. Now I'm gonna make the eyes and the mouth and the other things that a burger needs. Now I'm gonna color the lettuce of the burger. So it's coloring time, and now I'm coloring the lettuce on the burger so the burger can look good. Now, after coloring the lettuce, I'm gonna color the cheese, the yellow cheese. And now I've colored it the patty, and after coloring my patty, I'm gonna color the onions. I I've colored the tomatoes, and I've already done coloring my tomatoes. So I also colored it my bow, and now I'm gonna start with the skin color with the crayons, the jelly crayons, because they're so sticky like jelly. So that's why everyone calls them jelly crayons, because they are so sticky like jelly. What are you waiting for? Get a marker, a paper, start making a drawing with me. So until then, bye bye. Subscribe.